This is the conversion kit for the round archer CB antenna for your general lead. So if you have a 21940 Archer round magnet base antenna, you could convert this antenna over to the correct 21908A teardrop version antenna, the correct one for the general lead, the most common antenna out there. So if you have one of these, you're going to need a pair of side cutters, possibly a 1/2 inch wrench, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to unscrew the plastic load coil like so, and just set that aside. Then we need to remove this arbor nut right here. Most of the time you can use a flathead screwdriver and get it off just like so. You can set that aside as well. Now, the side cutters, this is hard to do, especially if you have a brand new antenna. It's really hard to cut one of these open just because you're ruining the round base. But to heck with it. We're going to put the correct base on this here so we can have our general release the correct way. So basically what I do is I will take this here and I will start notching out the plastic like so in the round base. And just start cutting away. Just like so. And there is no other way to do this. This whole mechanism is molded around the cable. So there's no other way to do it. It's like they feed the cable through there and then they crimp it up and stuff up here. There's no way to get it out other than what we're doing here. Alright, it should be free. So what we do is just take the magnet out like so. Now I have a toolbox that has probably 30 or 40 of these magnets from when I was converting these over for people, and I just keep them. I don't throw them away. But this is done, and the old base is done. Now, so we have our top part, and we have the new teardrop conversion kit that we provide. So basically you take your cable here, snip this little guy off. It's part of the round base. Discard that. Now we are ready to start the conversion process. It's very simple. So we're going to take our new Northeast Ohio Dukes Archer antenna base, and we are going to take our trunk clamp mount, and we are going to feed the wire in like so. Now these are shaped like a D, so they only go in one way. And then this feeds through that little slot like so. And we take our gasket, and we fit it around the new teardrop base like so. Then we insert like so, and then we take our lock nut go ahead and wind it down. We take our flathead and just give this a little bit of a turn. Finger tighten the lock nut. Screw the load coil and the spring back on. And right there is the correct teardrop antenna for your General Lee. Even the Roadrunner, the Daisy Roadrunner, had the same antenna. These are not 3D printed. These were molded. High heat injection molded plastic. And there you have it. It's that simple.